So you've created a project in Sonic Pics and you've put a whole heap of pictures in, ready to go. Now the next step is to actually record. We have a recording button up on the top right hand side. We're going to click there, and when we're ready to go, we're going to tap the button down here to begin recording. As we're recording, when we finish talking about each picture, we can just slide to the next one. There's no need to stop recording and start again. We can just move through until we're finished. If we need to, we can tap the recording button again to pause and then start again when we're ready. So I'm going to have a go and make a recording. Let's see how we go. These are some of my favourite iPad accessories. The first one you can see is a snake clamp. The snake clamp holds your iPad in such a way that it allows you to use it as a document camera. So now every book can be a big book when I project it up onto a TV screen or projector, and I can also do things like put paper underneath and model handwriting or an art technique, or put maths manipulatives underneath and be able to model the whole class what I want them to do. Another favourite app is Reflector. Reflector allows you to wirelessly show your iPad screen or your iPhone screen on your computer, and it works on Mac or Windows. This is good because you can plug your computer into the smartboard or the projector or the TV at the front of the room, and then wirelessly connect your iPad or iPhone, meaning that you can move around the room and still be able to display things and talk about them, which is great in terms of classroom management, so you can use that proximity strategy with the kids who need it. Okay, my next favourite iPad accessory is a bit of iPad bling. This is a website called Skins, and they make stick-on skins for your iPad and all sorts of other digital devices. They don't damage the iPad in any way, and I like them because, as well as personalising it, it means I don't pick up anyone else's iPad by mistake. I call it's kind of like dress-ups for technology. And finally, my other favourite iPad accessory is the Apple TV. This little box attached to a data projector or a TV means you can wirelessly throw up the screen of your iPad, your iPhone, your MacBook up onto the screen to show what you need to demonstrate from the screen. So again, it keeps you free to be able to move around the room. I've hit pause now, so I've finished my recording. If I wanted to, I could hit record again and keep going, but I know I've done everything I need to do, so I'm going to go down here to the corner and tap to end recording. Do I want to keep it? Yeah, it wasn't too bad. I'm pretty happy with that. I don't tend to keep redoing things until they're perfect. As long as it works, I go with that. I don't have time to be perfect. I'd rather do things and have a few mistakes in them than keep redoing and redoing until they're perfect, because it just puts you off in the end, and so you don't tend to make any recordings. So I'm going to hit save. I now have a little slideshow. I can preview it again by tapping on it. These are some of my favourite iPad accessories. The first one you can see is a snake. And it gives you a bit of a preview and shows you the slides flicking through. It's one way of viewing it, but once we're finished with that, we'll hit done. And what we want to do is actually turn it into a video. So we're going to pick this little one down here, and we're going to share. And so it generates the video, and then it gives you a whole heap of opportunities to share. And I'll go through all those in the next video.